Hey everyone, today I want to show how to create a consistent character for a storybook with Leonardo AI. Open any web browser and log in to Leonardo AI using your credentials. Here, you can see that if you scroll a bit, you can easily generate images using this for the middle part of the story. One way to do this is that we can use anything from this, and the other one is more effective. To avail of that feature, click on this button. After clicking, it will open after a short delay. As soon as it opens, you will have many options here to generate images in various ways. First, let's decide what kind of image we want here. If you see, I have written that for my storybook's middle journey, I need a cute girl with cute, curly hair, multiple poses and expressions, different angles, a character sheet in the style of children's book illustration, isolated on a white background, because we need it for a children's story's middle journey. This AI generator tool will be the best way to create these images. Before clicking on the Generate button, let's also look at the other options here. If you come here and see, you can select the number of images from here. I think 3 images will be enough, so I have selected 3. Let's scroll a bit here. After scrolling, you can see that the tool is asking for the character's dimensions within the photo. We'll select this, and if you come down a bit, you can also manually adjust it if you want. After adjusting it manually, I think I messed it up a bit, so let's click this button again to reset it and get it right. After all this, scroll down to the end. After that, you can see here, you can reset all these settings if you want them to be the same as before. Let's move on without changing them. Go up and find the Generate button. After finding it, click on it. It will take a little while to generate. You all can see in these 3 images that there's a little difference in each one. The dress has changed in all 3, and it has captured every angle just as we mentioned. A cute girl. It generated her exactly like that. If you focus only on this character within the image, in my opinion, it's quite suitable for a storybook. These are very effective images. If you want to download these images, there's a simple way. You just need to hover your cursor over any image like this, and you will see this option. Click on it. After clicking, look at the upper right corner, and your image has been downloaded. If you want to download the other images as well, follow the same procedure. Now, let's take a look at the downloaded image. First, you need to click on this button, Show in Folder. After clicking, a new window will open. Here, you can see that your newly generated character is saved on your computer in the Download section. That's the way you can generate characters. If you face any issues in this video, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.